Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. Rule of law means that all individuals, whether rich or poor, men or women, forward or backward castes, they all are subjected to the same law. Senior most judge of Supreme Court is appointed as Chief Justice of India. To appoint a judge, principle of collegiality is adopted. Names of judges are suggested by CJI in consultation with 4 senior-most judges, and the President appoints them. Advisory jurisdiction allows government to seek legal opinion on important matter so that later it does not lead to unnecessary legal hassles. And when the Supreme Court gives advice, the government can make changes in its action or legislations. Writ jurisdiction means that any individual whose fundamental rights have been violated, he or she can directly approach Supreme Court. Through such writs, court can order executive whether to act or not to act. Judicial review means the power of Supreme Court or High Courts to examine the constitutionality of any law if the court arrives at the conclusion that the law is inconsistent with the provisions of the Constitution. Such a law is declared unconstitutional and invalid.